got out of his Jeep, taking pictures.
Well, he ain't supposed to.
I wonder if this is the one that we went on with Mason.
Could have been. Let's find out.
Oh, I needed my chapstick.
Oh, nice. You ain't got no sun on your face.
I will.
Did you have some butter on? Put some butter on from your bagel.
Nice.
Come on, you gotta improvise.
Here, can you take that for me, please?
Yep, and just shoot it all over you.
Not a lot, just a little bit, please. Oops. Nice.
Come on now, I'm eating. I'm getting ready to have a meal. Relax and have a meal. Yeah, until it gets rumbled up in my stomach. Better eat this before it freaking melts. The chocolate will be melted.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, you gonna make it through this in
Uh-oh,
two-wheel
here's
drive?
some mucky muck. I don't know, I'm not in four-wheel drive.
It's over that way. I just got in the hand with mud. Whoa, drive. Boom.
Thank ya.
That's what I'm here for, navigation.
You're my shift changer?
That's where we went yesterday.
Yeah. Oh, he can't make it up there.
His engine is flooding up or something.
Oh. Alright, so we're going on the Avery Trail.
And we don't have a picture.
Trail that is down there.
Oh, good. It's like maybe I should just take it to somebody instead of beating my brain out.
Yep.
You know?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I could mess with the timing a little bit.
Does Judd want to go?
Yeah, he's either coming in line or...
Have my camera going, my video on my phone, babe. You gonna use yours?
Let's do what?
Here's another Jeep coming. Oh, look, look, look.
This is almost like the obstacle.
A little.
It's like an obstacle course to go down.
Yeah.
It's like kind of like that.
Yeah, me too. We should ask him what the name of that trail is. 4 Low now.
You're there. Going down.
Uh-oh.
Still out.
I think so. That's why you shouldn't be so close behind.
I see you trying to get some air there.
Yeah, but I can't tell if I am or not. Nobody's in front to take
You'll know when the front bounces down. Your bump stops. Your head hits the steering wheel.
Yeah.
Now what are you looking for?
My water.
No water.
No water. Want to swap my coffee for back there?
Yeah, so your coffee will spill all over back here now.
Nah.
Which water? Your one from home?
Yeah, the little one.
Oh.
Is this thing mixing up your granola bar you ate?
Yeah. That and
And your coffee
coffee and my
water?
bagel are all
Oh,
whipping
yeah,
up now. Coming to a frothy top.
Whoa.
Top of my stomach, it's all.
Actually, I think that was the back, so I'm gonna have to get a back bump stop.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, just they're cheap
Yeah.
and simple.
Yeah. When we get back,
2 minute job really should be to do that, unless they're
I'll order it from Amazon like I did the front.
yeah, unless they're a bastard to get out.
Yeah.
Ooh, they got stuff.
They just dropped a bunch of
Something
stuff
flew
out.
What flew out? Oh, ice came out of their cooler.
Look at all the cow poop.
Mm-hmm.
I should run over it.
No, you shouldn't. 'Cause then
Oh,
they'll
you
fly
could
up and hit
smell
the
it.
mirrors.
You could
Cows,
smell.
that's fresh. The cows wouldn't be within here
Yeah.
within a day or so.
Info on the radio check.
Good.
I hear you.
I hear ya.
There are a few cows right here next to the trail. If they try to pass you guys and come onto the trail, just hold up and let them pass. Don't blow your horn and scare them. They generally will stay away from the Jeeps. They've kind of gotten used to us, though. So if we need to hold up and wait for you while you let them to go by, that's fine.
10-4.
Good, buddy.
That's pretty neat. We get to trail with the cows again.
So you guys hold up right there just 1 second. This is a little sloppy.
trail to nowhere.
I just want to make sure the Jeeps behind me can get down it. That's a little sloppy right there.
There are quite a few Jeeps here. I didn't realize that I thought there wasn't that many. You still got some behind us too. Why are they all going this way? Oh, rocks. Rock.
This guy wants to try to close his roof all the way this time.
For this guy here?
The girl at the bathroom says to me, she says, "Oh, that's a nice Jeep. Is that your Jeep?" You know, the first bathrooms we stopped at when we got here?
Yeah.
And I said, "No, it's my girlfriend's." And then I must have turned around probably, and she probably read my shirt and says, "What's up with this guy?"
Because it says my wife on the back of your shirt.
She was thinking, "What?"
Wow, those guys are not in any sight of us.
Really?
Yeah, they were like way back there. Yeah, they're not. You can't even see them. Oh, now you can a little bit. I just had a piece of mud hit my foot.
Nice.
There. Knocked it out. A piece of cow patty.
God, here we go. Smack into the torn center post. Arm like this, I'll break my arm.
Oh, it's raining a little bit. Got a little bit of raindrops.
Yeah.
Oh, they're catching up now.
That's them over there.
Right there, behind us.
That black Jeep over there around the next thing.
Yeah.
Nice.
See, this is what I don't like, is when I'm leaning down like this.
Must be newbies behind us. You're a newbie too, but
We used to be a newbie.
yeah.
I'm still doing newbie trails. I'm gonna have to advance to the next level up.
You did yesterday going on the obstacles.
Oh, the obstacle course. Yeah, that was fun actually. Especially going over those pipes and stuff. Yeah.
What is this? Another missile crisis.
What?
Vladimir Putin has warned that he is ready for What? For another Cuban Missile Crisis, America should invite it. Hit the only tree on the trail?
They must have had a fire here. Look at the burn marks on the poles here. Tree. Probably got struck by lightning here or something. Still going. The battery doesn't
17
die.
minutes.
What about the battery life?
I can't tell that. Checking that is above my pay grade.